air station set at 480 Fahrenheit. It's about 3.5 for the flow. We're going to go and reflux all the joints at the microprocessors and at some of the small chips. These microprocessors are covered with a blue silicone paste. Rather than clean away the paste, I found it's easy enough to simply heat it up with hot air and it'll clean it right off. So we're going to slowly go around each microprocessor and reflux them. We are also going to reflux these small chips. I'm not sure what they are, but I know that they're important. After studying someone else's circuit board repair, I know that they reflux these chips. You'll know when the solder's reflux, you can see it move. I believe these chips provide, not sure, maybe power for the board. We're also going to reflux this two chips. This chip. I'm going to include a picture of a repaired board from Z-Modex so you can see exactly what they did and you'll know exactly which spots to flux on the board. I'm going to continue to do this. Afterwards, I'm going to apply another silicone paste after I've confirmed my repair to prevent oxidation. That's it.